Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing, grade 1? Good. That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your numeracy class. So, in today's class, we will be continuing with the unit that we started in the last week, and that is about geometrical shapes. Very good. So, from the last week onward, we have discussed a lot of geometrical shapes. We have discussed their characteristic features. We have discussed their examples as well, right? So, who is going to tell me what we did in the last class? Yes. Raise your hands. Hurry up. Okay. Yes, Vasa, you tell us what we did in the last class. We discussed a shape. What was the name of that? Cylindrical or can shaped. Very well done. Everybody clap for Vase. Very good, Base. So, how many of you have revised that cylindrical or can shape at your home? Very good. Everybody has revised. Okay. So, now I gave you a home assignment as well. You were supposed to, yes, take anything of that cylindrical shape. You were supposed to dip it in a paint, in a color, and then paste it on a piece of paper and then see that how does it looks like, how does its sides come out to be, right? So, how many of you have done that? Wonderful. Why? Okay, Sarah, you haven't done it yet? Okay, you will do it over the weekend. Very good. Okay, so not an issue if you do not have a cylindrical or can shape anything at your home. So you can go over the weekend and buy that and then you can do this activity. Okay, not an issue. So now in today's class, we will be discussing a new shape and that is oval shape. I have drawn it for you on the board as well, right? Can you recognize this shape? What comes in your mind when you look at this shape or when you heard about this oval shape? What comes in your mind? It's like an egg, right? The first thing or the very common example that come in your mind can be an egg. Okay, what else? Hurry up. There is this fruit, a very yummy fruit. Okay, let me give you the hint. There is this fruit which is very yummy, which is in a green color, and in the center it has some seeds like this of this shape. The seeds are like this, and the fruit is in this shape. Can you recognize this? It's kiwi. Very good. Okay. So kiwi also has an oval shape, right? So now in today's class, we will be discussing what an oval shape is, what are the characteristics of this shape, how we can recognize it, and then we will also discuss the different examples of it. Okay. So before moving forward, I'm going to share the screen with you and we have an interesting video related to the shapes. We will quickly revise all other shapes that we have previously done and that we are doing now. So show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you or not, okay? Is it visible? Okay, great.
Today's topic, shapes, 3D shapes.
3D shaped, a tube, a cylinder, cone, rectangular prism, sphere, sphere, hexagon, torus, square-based pyramid, oval,
Now see, this is the shape that we are discussing now. This is oval shape, right? We can say that it is a form of a sphere, but it is not accurate. Like, well, a square is completely round like a ball. Now, oval is a sphere, but not like a ball. Yes, like an egg, okay, or like the eyes in most of the cartoon characters, most in the animated movies. You have the characters that you have; they have eyes like this, right?
yeah, those are 3D shapes.
Okay, so we have revised all the shapes. Some of them we have already discussed, some of them will be discussed in the later classes. Okay, so now what are the characteristics of this shape, the oval shape? Yes, anybody? Can somebody tell us the characteristics, like we discussed about the squares, like we discussed about the like we discussed about all of the shapes? What are the characteristics features? Okay, do it have any flat surface? No, it have curved surfaces, right? Okay, what about the size? An oval can be small, it can be big as well, right? So this is also the characteristic. Let's see what is written in your book. It says that an egg and a ball, they are solid shapes, they are not flat shapes, right? So take an egg and dip it in any color paint. Now roll it. Now you will be having a same home assignment. So whatever the shapes we will be doing in this week, you will be doing this activity over the weekend, that you will dip them in any paint in any color and then paste it on a, yes, on a white paper, and then see that how it comes out to be about its sides, whether they are flat, whether they are round, they are curved, or whatever. Got it? Okay. So now I'm sharing the screen with you. There are some examples of this shape that we will be discussing together. Okay. So show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you or not. Is it visible? Okay, great. So this is the first example that we have already discussed, that the egg is of oval shape, right? Okay. Let's look at the next example. So the next we have kiwi, right? Kiwi is also of oval shape. We discussed it. I draw the this fruit for you on the board as well. It is of green color. Will it have a brownish skin on the top? And then it is full green. The center part of it is a little white, right? And it's a very yummy fruit. Kiwi. It's also of oval shape. Okay, let's look at the next example. Sorry. The next one is football, right? So this football is also of oval shape. Does it look like sphere? No, it's not spherical. It's not round, right? It's oval shape. Yes, it has a like corners on both ends, but a sphere does not have. Okay, let's look at the next examples. I'm sharing that with you as well. So the next example is of a barrel, right? The barrel is also of oval shape, right? You see that it starts from one end, then it gets outward, and then after going from a certain point, it again started coming inward. So the oval shape is not spherical, it's not round, it's, yes. Okay, let's move forward. Let's see what we have in next. And the last example is of a clock. Well, most of the times we have clocks of round or square shape, but this clock, yes, usually this is alarm clock, right? So these are of oval shape. Okay, so these are few examples of oval shape. Now see the thing that I was telling you right now, that see it started from one point and it then start getting outward and then again inward. So this is oval shape. It is not spherical. Well, the sphere does not have an end like this, right? This is a sphere and this is an oval. This is the difference between the two, right? Okay, so now what I want you is that you will be searching for more examples of oval shape, and I have also given you the home assignment that you are supposed to take a white paper, then take anything which is of oval shape. Well, egg is the best example, everybody do have it at your home, right? So you can just take it, dip it in any piece of paint, any color, and then put it on the, yes, piece of paper, and then see that how it comes out to be, right? Okay, So that was all for today. We have done another shape. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do revise it at your home and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.